How to change your name on Royal Match. Hello everyone, in this tutorial you'll be learning how you can change your name on Royal Match. So I'll be teaching you how to do so, making use of your profile. The first step is to launch the Royal Match application. Once you've done that, move to the top left corner where you can see your profile icon and then click on it. Then once you're on your profiles page, the next step is for you to click on your name. All right, or instead of that, move to your picture and then click on the um pencil icon that you can see on your profile picture. Then after doing that, you'll be taken to the edit profile page, and then the next step is for you to select what you'd like to edit. In this case, it's your name, so just click on the box, move to the right side, click on the pencil icon found in your box for your name, and then go ahead and enter in the new name. And then you can see the instructions that you only have one chance to change your name, so ensure you do that. After I enter in the new name, click on continue, and then just like that your name would be changed. All right, I still want to retain my name, so I'll just leave it like this. This is how you can change your name on Royal Match. Thank you for watching and have a good